Take pictures for that shit.
Oh hell no! Don't take pictures.
Hey, no, your first piercing. Why not?
This is my first piercing.
Yeah, it's your first piercing. I didn't take a piercing when this shit happened.
By my ghetto ass friend.
With a ghetto ass.
Don't worry, you're gonna get infected.
That comes out of her paycheck, man.
Oh no! The fuck? Look at Christian in pain. I mean, why you move?
No,
You're
we're.
an idiot. You made me think you're blurry.
You ready?
No, I still feel it like hella. Hold up!
Good moment right now. You saw that? You saw that picture? He looks good. He's like.
We should have like a freaking.
Oh, you really disgust me. Louis like, I'm gonna let all these stupid asses do it. I'm just gonna laugh about it.
They already know.
Louis is smart. He don't do none of this shit.
He will though.
He got a tattoo. Let's see if it's.
But that's from a professional.
Oh, then you see, he ain't dumb. I got a professional too.
But then maybe my
I'm
second
not
one's gonna
saying
be all
you're
by
not,
myself.
Jake, but I know you are.
Let's do this.
Jesse doesn't have the permit.
You just don't got the permit.
No, he did his.
Yeah,
no,
but
let me see.
Look how sexy that is.
Look how sexy that is. I don't want mine that big though, man.
Which one?
Yours, I don't want.
No, I have your small one.
Oh, okay.
Dumbass right there.
Oh,
yeah, yours is small.
y'all don't want the big one.
My son is getting tortured.
Let's go, let's go.
She's laughing.
Okay, turn this way, please.
Yeah, whatever that meant.
It's a gun. Let's go.
Hey, just be lucky you're not
Where do you
big.
want to put
I'm
it?
scared.
Sit down.
Where do you want to put it?
Make sure you do the dot
I can't
right.
see it.
Here, let him do it.
Nah, I'm cool.
Alright.
Jake, do the.
Dude, you've got like 2 mirrors right here. You can do
Yeah,
it.
you got to.
Here, I'll wipe it down with this prep.
There's no toilet paper there.
Wait, what kind of marker are you using?
Washable. What is gonna get infected?
I used permanent marker in this line. I did. I really did. I was like, fuck
You
this.
say?
Yeah.
I did it myself too.
Right here.
Here, I'm gonna let you use my brass pen whenever I get it, alright?
Caesar, don't look at me like that, man. You're scaring me the most.
Wipe it down again.
I want to see how you scream.
I'm like a bitch.
Wipe it down, wipe it down.
Right, bite the apple.
Alright, ready? Sit down.
Shit, I am sitting down.
Go right here if you want to think of it.
No, the fucking love, yo.
That's alright.
Jake, I'm scared, man.
Do it right now.
Christian, chill out. You wanna hold my hand?
No.
Okay then.
I'm
Find
scared of
the
you,
apple.
What's with the apple?
So it's not gonna trust me. So I could just pull it.
Hey, come on, dude. Just go, just go.
You, man. I don't trust you.
Come on.
Oh.
Come on, stop bitching.
Hold on here. Just go. I already had it.
No, you didn't. You fucker.
I already had it. I'm not gonna move
Stop
anymore.
from here. He's getting nervous.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let him do it.
Oh, you motherfucker, that hurt.
Done.
That fucking hurt, man.
Yeah, it does. It really does. You gotta take Tylenol for that shit.
Oh, shit, dog. That hurts like crazy.
Dude. You gotta hold it. Here, wipe it down.
Dude, that hurts. I feel dizzy.
Let's see it, let's see it.
You
You guys got penetrated.
He didn't numb it. He didn't numb it. That's what he
No, I did. I didn't feel it as bad, but I still felt it. I'm like, fuck.
Imagine this one. This
Here, tradition, you have to eat the apple.
and pee on it before you eat it.
You wanted it that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay, now fuck up.
That shit fucked up.
Yeah, like suck it up.
Yeah,
Look at
suck
Louis.
it.
Hey.